Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see the demonstration of Scientech 2272A satellite communication training system. Here we can see the transmitter, that is uplink transmitter. Now on the LCD screen we can see the channels which get selected, like on which carrier frequency we are going to transmit the signal, right? And since this one is an upgraded version, so we can get the selected channel on the 7-segment display as well. Now let's power on the trainer. So as you can see on the screen we have a 7-segment display and LCD. So we can select the appropriate channel. Let's say we have selected the channel 8. Now after selecting the respective channel, like in this case we have selected channel 8, then the signal passes through the coaxial cable to the antenna, and then directive dish antenna, which is working on 2.4 GHz, will transmit the signal to the transponder. Now let's move to the transponder and set the same carrier frequency, because transmitter uplink frequency and the receiver side transponder receiving frequency should be on the same channel, right? So as we have set at channel 8, so we need to set the transponder at channel 8 itself. Now let's move to the transponder station. Now let's power on the transponder station. So as you can see, we have two channels. So we can set this first receiving station at the same frequency of channel 8, and transmitter of a transponder, right? We can set to third channel, let's say, for example. Now since we have set the transponder on channel number 3, so we need to set the receiver, that is downlink receiver, at the same channel 3 frequency. Now let's move to the receiver station. Now let's first power on the receiver station, that is downlink receiver. Set the channel frequency to the same frequency which we have set at the transponder station, transmitter side. So as you can see that since the frequency, which is a carrier frequency, right from the uplink station, that is the transmitter, to the transponder receiving station, then again back to the transponder transmitting frequency, and till the receiver downlink receiver frequency are getting matched, so we are able to recover the video, like we have set to the video playing station, so we can recover the video.
अब तुम लोग कवर कर लेते हो ना?
अब वहाँ से आप उसको पूरा we can have the complete view of the entire. So here we have a complete view of our entire setup. We have a transmitter, transponder, and the receiving station where we have connected the television. As you can see, we can get the complete video on the television screen. Now what we can do is that we can just change the, we can disturb the carrier frequency, that is a channel frequency. As we have set the transmitter at channel number 8, and transponder receiving frequency at channel number 8. So let's disturb the transponder, right? So we can set to any frequency other than the channel number 8. So let's disturb and see what we are going to receive on the screen. So as we can see that by the time we have changed the channel to some another channel. So as we can see that by the time we have changed the transponder receiving station carrier frequency, that is channel, to some another channel other than the channel number 8, we are not able to recover the video. So in this way you can also disturb at the transmitter side, or transponder transmitter, or receiver side, or even at the receiver side as well. That indicates that whatever you are transmitting from one station to the transponder and then back to the receiver side, they have to be tuned. So if they are not tuned at the same carrier frequency, that is a channel, then we are not able to recover the signal. And in this way we can say that this is a true sense the satellite communication is happening through the satellite transponder.